The country could be staring at a possible sixth wave of the COVID-19 virus, with the Ministry of Health stating that the increased transmission could arise from the onset of the flu season currently experienced in the country. This comes as models by the Lake Region Economic Bloc projected a possible sixth wave between the end of April to the beginning of June. Raquel Magai reports.
According to the 15th advisory dated 25th March by the Lake Region Economic Bloc Committee on COVID-19 Advisory and Socio-Economic Engagement Issues, the sixth wave of the COVID-19 is likely to begin at the end of April. According to the statement by the committee chairperson, Professor Hama Rogo, the wave will peak on May 17th, decline after June 2nd, after a period of 40 days based on their model that was rerun on March 23rd. Professor Rogo adds that based on their calculations, the wave is likely to be mild, with average daily infections of approximately 500 persons, approximately 20,000 infections and 349 fatalities. Increased vaccination rates, previous infections and mutation capacity of the virus in the context of higher immunity levels being explained as major reasons for the numbers provided of those to be affected. The Ministry of Health has time and time again raised concern over the country's low vaccination uptake since its revision of the COVID-19 regulations on 11th March. While speaking to Citizen TV, Dr. Wele Sahwale, the chair of the COVID-19 Vaccine and Vaccination Task Force, insisted that COVID-19 isn't over. He says, and I quote, "We do expect to see an increase in COVID-19 transmission in the country when the flu season kicks in. The flu season is normally around April to July. The problem has been that Kenyans confuse low transmission of COVID-19 to mean that it is over." With slightly over 40,000 doses of the COVID-19 vaccine having been administered over the last 1 week, compared to before, where that was the daily vaccination rate, Dr. Hwale insists that the vaccine is the best shot, urging those who are yet to get their booster doses to do so. At least 8.2 million people have been fully vaccinated, just 10.7 million shy of the country's target of 19 million fully vaccinated persons by June. Raquel Muigai, Citizen TV.